Hello everyone, how are you? Bacha party, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Yes, whatever you want to accept it because I can't decide what you will accept, right? So we already now move on. We will discuss about the studies. So we already started our chapter number 6, my neighborhood, and we completed the chapter, and you have seen the 6 parts of the lectures, and we already done the new words, the question and answers, true false and MCQs, right? Tick the correct answer. All the exercises we have already done in my previous lecture, right? So some question and answers are remain, some questions and answers are remain. Question number 4 and 5, question number 4 and 5, these two are remain. So today we will do this, right? So get ready with your notebook, your pencil, your eraser, your sharpener. And one more thing, my dear students, your half yearly exam is going to start soon. So chapter number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6, from these 5 chapters this is your EVS syllabus, right? So all the true false, fill in the blanks, MCQs, everything will come from these chapters only. But my request to you is that you will read the entire chapter carefully. When you will revise all the things now, then read the chapters carefully, right? So let's start the remain question and the answers. Once you will write your chapter number, yes, chapter number 6, and the name of the chapter, my neighborhood, and your heading is answer these questions, right? Question number 1, 2 and 3 we already done. Now we will write question number 4. Question number 4. How do the police help us? How do the police help us? पुलिस हमारी कैसे मदद करती है? What is the criteria of the help? है ना? So let's see what is the answer. Answer number 4. The police help the police help in maintaining the police help in various way. Right? Like they find their lost items. They has to find the lost items, right? And they from any danger and maintain the law and order. Also, right? So what is the work of the policeman? The police help in various way. Various way means he has to help so many kinds, so many types. Various means बहुत सारे प्रकार. The police help in various way, like they has to find the lost items. Sometimes we lost some items, है ना, चोरी हो जाती है या हमारा कोई सामान गुम जाता है. So police is the job to find the lost item, है ना, and they guard the neighborhood. They guard means देखभाल करना, रक्षा करना. They guard the neighborhood from any danger. किसी भी खतरनाक स्थिति और परिस्थिति से अपने नेबरहुड को सुरक्षित रखना. From any danger and maintain the law and order also. And whatever order he got from government side, that is the police duty to maintain that. So these are the work which has done by the policeman. These are the various jobs. These are the various ways to done that all the jobs. Policeman is not only protect ourselves, but it has so many more duties. When we lost our items, when we lost our jewelry, है ना, when we lost any item like vehicle, car, motorbike, whatever we lost in our day-to-day life, so we will go to the police station and we will give the complaint, and that is police duty to find the lost item. And not only find the lost item, but policeman is the protector of our neighborhood. He guard our neighborhood, so we are feeling safe. We can feel safe, है ना. And apart from these two duties, police has to maintain the law and order. Whatever order he got from the government side, that has to be maintained by the policeman only. Understood? So this answer is quite big, but don't afraid of the big answers, because you are a grown up child. When your class will increase, then you has to develop this habit to write and learn the big answers also. Right, now let's see. Now move on and let's see what is number 5. Question number 5. Let's see what is that. Write 2 ways can you help your neighbors. Write 2 ways can you help your neighbors. Right? So here in this question, write 2 ways can you help your neighbors. Here it means that you have to write the 2 ways only. See dear students, there are so many ways. To help the neighbors, but question is that you have to write only the 2. So we will write only 2. We will not write all those things whatever I explained to you in my previous lecture. We will write only the two ways over here. So let's see what are the two ways. Number 1, answer number 5. Okay, so we take, yes, two ways are two ways are. Number 1, we take an urgent message of our neighborhood. Okay, when they are not at home. This is the first way we take an urgent message of our neighbor when they are not at home. When they are not at home. Okay, suppose your neighbors, he or she is not at home and any emergency is there, any urgent message came. So what you will do? What is your duty as a neighbor? Your duty is a neighbor to receive that urgent message, and when your neighbor will come, you can convey that message in a proper manner to your neighbor. This is your duty, right? So this is the first way. And number 2, we take care of our neighbors when they are sick. This is the way number 2. We can take care of our neighbor when they are sick. Right? So here we are completing the question and answer. I am not in front of the board, so you can take the screenshot. If a screenshot facility is not in your phone, then you can pause the screen and complete your notebook. Right? Okay, so here we are completing the question and the answers. Whatever exercise is required, we are completing over here. Now I am going to read on page number 39. This wala life skill. This wala portion I am going to read and I am going to explain. Then we are finishing this chapter. Okay, life skill. Read the activity of some neighbors. Tick correct the one who is good and cross one who is bad. Right? So I am going to read number 1. Aman always help the old and the blind. Is this good habit? Is this good thing? Yes, this is the good thing. So put the tick mark in front of the number 1. Aman always help the old and the blind man. This option is right. This is correct. We should always help the blind people. Right? Number 2, Ankur fights everyone. Fighting with others, not only with our friends but fighting with others, it is a good habit? No, it is a bad habit. So put the cross in front of the statement. Now number 3, Alicia listens to music on a low tune. Is this right? Yes. If you want to listen the music, the volume of the music should be low, because you want to listen. I don't want to listen. It is not necessary I like the same kind of music, whatever you are liking, whatever you are listening. It is not necessary to me. Similarly, it is not necessary to your neighbors. Sometimes your neighbor's child is studying at home, then he will not like this habit. He will not like if you will listen the music on loud volume, loud tune. So put the tick mark. This statement is right. Always listen the music in the low volume. Volume should be low, right? Okay. John shouts in the street. Shouting here and there is a good manner. When you will shout at your home, mama and papa always tell to you, no, volume should be low. Your way of talking should be soft. Why you are shouting? है ना? So shouting here and there, it is not good for anybody. So put the cross. Okay. Ruchi give food and milk to puppies. Yes, this is the good habits. Always loves from animals. Be kind with them. Don't beat them. है ना? कई बार ऐसा होता है, कुछ बच्चे रहते हैं वो अननेसेसरी में ही एनिमल्स को पत्थर मार देते हैं, लकड़ी से मार देते हैं. नो, बी काइंड विद देम, लव देम. अगर आप उनके साथ अच्छा व्यवहार नहीं करेंगे तो बुरा भी मत करिए, ठीक है? अगर आप अच्छा व्यवहार नहीं कर सकते हैं उनके साथ, तो उनके साथ आपको बुरा व्यवहार करने का भी कोई हक नहीं है. इफ यू कांट लव देम, नो इशू, नो प्रॉब्लम, डोंट हेट देम. दिस इज नॉट योर राइट. ओके, सो color the thought. Also write the thought in full form. Be nice to everyone. Be nice to everyone. This is very good thought. This time I am not giving in any project work because your half yearly exam is going to come. That's why I am not giving you any project work, right? But this wala portion beta, number C, I am giving you as a homework. This wala part, number C, this is very easy. You can see and you can, which shop will you visit to buy these things, match the item with the shops. So I am not going to do this. You will match this as a homework. I am giving you as a homework. I am giving you all these things, right? So here we are finishing our chapter number 6, our neighborhoods. Right, and now we are going to start from this lecture only. We are going to start the revision because your half yearly exam is going to come. That's why we are going to start the revision once again. So chapter number 1, my body. Chapter number 1, my body. I am going to read, then I will explain to you. Okay, so my body, when we will talk about our body, we will talk about two things. We will talk about two things. First one is the external organs of our body and second one is the internal organs of our body. External organs of our body and internal organ of our body. And we will discuss about the keeping our body healthy and fit. How we can keep ourselves healthy and fit. Because fitness is very much required. Fitness is must. Fitness should be there. If you will not fit, you will not a healthy person. If you are not healthy person, you cannot survive in today's environment. So it is very necessary not only for you kids, but it is necessary to me also to be very fit and healthy, right? So let's start. Our body is made up of many parts. Yes, this statement is completely right. Our body is made up of so many parts. There are so many parts. And when we assemble all these parts, we can get a body. These parts do different work. Yes, all the parts of the body are not doing the same kinds of work, same kinds of job. They are doing the different jobs because all the parts have the different work, different jobs. Right? We can see some parts of our body. They are called external organs. Whatever parts of the body you can see by your eyes, that is the external organs. I can see here, this is the external. I can see this face, I can see eyes, I can see nose, ear, I can see tongue, teeth, skin, hands, fingers, right, legs, shoulder, elbow, arm. These all are the external parts of the body. Whatever we can see outside, that is our external part of the body, that are external organs. And whatever part we cannot see, some parts of our body, they are called internal organs. Right? See, this I will give you, for explaining this I will give you a small example beta. When you will bring the remote car, when you will buy the remote car from market to home for playing purpose, then आपको सिर्फ कार की बॉडी दिखाई देगी ना, आपको उसके व्हील्स दिखाई देंगे, आपको उसका रिमोट दिखाई देगा, लेकिन उसके अंदर जो मशीन लगी है, जब तक आप उसको खोलेंगे नहीं, क्या वो मशीन आपको दिखाई देगी? नो. So whatever we can see, that is are the external part, बाहर का हिस्सा. External means बाहर का हिस्सा, बाहर का भाग, बाहर का part. Right? And whatever we cannot see with the naked eyes, whatever we cannot see with the naked eyes, that is the internal organs, that is the inside our body. जैसे कि कार में मशीन अंदर होती है ना, वो आपको दिखाई नहीं देती है. As like we human being has the internal organs which we can't see with naked eyes. So let's see what are the external organs. The eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin are the external organs. They are called the sense organs. Yes, it is very much correct written over here. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. These all are the sense organs. Why the word sense is used over here? Because we can feel them, we can get the sense from these organs. Sense of hearing, sense of taste, sense of feeling, sense of seeing, sense of smelling. है ना, हमको ज्ञान होता है. सेंस को हम हिंदी में बोल सकते हैं नॉलेज होना, ज्ञान होना, पता चलना. That's why the sense word is used over here. So we have 5 sense organs: eyes, nose, ears, skin and tongue. You already learned so many times, right? So what is the work of your eyes? The eyes help us to identify shape, size and the color of a thing. The ear help us to hear the different sounds. The nose help us to smell the things and tongue help us to taste the things. Whatever taste is there, whether it is a bitter, whether it is a sweet, it is sour, whatever taste is there, we can get the sense from the tongue only. The skin help us to feel the thing, whether it is a hot, whether it is a cold, right? Okay, now I am going to change the page number. We will discuss about the internal organs: the brain, heart, lungs, stomach. Brain, this, heart, lungs and the stomach are some of the internal organs. See dear students, you are on the class 2. That's why little information is given in the book only, but when you will go in class 3 now, you will got all the information about all these internal organs, है ना. So here little much information is given over here, so we will learn little much only, we will not go very deeply. Okay, the brain, heart, lungs and the stomach are of our internal organs. Let us read how they work. See, I already told you that every body part has the different work. As like the external part, as like the external organs, we have some internal organs also, and every part has the different work. No parts is the doing the same work. Eyes only see, I can only the see. We cannot see with our hands, we cannot listen with our legs, right? जिसको जो काम दिया है वो वही काम करेगा, उसके अलावा वो दूसरा कोई सा काम नहीं करेगा. इसका ये मतलब होता है सीधे सीधे, right? So number 1, brain. Okay, so let's see what is the work of the brain. The brain is inside our head. Where is your brain situated? Your brain is situated inside the head. बेटा ये जो skeletal है ना, ये खोपड़ी है ना, इसके अंदर brain होता है, ठीक है. It is the brain which control all the organs of the body, and brain is the most important and precious parts of our human being, because brain only can control your all the body organs. brain ही सब कुछ control करता है. If you want to raise your hand, then brain will ordered you, raise your hand, click your finger, ठीक है, go for washroom, take a bath, eat food, whatever sense, whatever activity we all are doing, we are doing because of brain only. Brain will order us to do all these activities, right? So it is also help us to think. And what is the main work of the brain? We can't think from our ears, we can't think from our nose. So what is the main job of the brain? Brain is used to think. किसी भी काम को करने के लिए, करने से पहले जो भी हम सोचते हैं, we are thinking with the help of brain only. And brain controls all the organs, and brain is used to think, right? So it is actually a control center of the body. What is written over here? The brain is actually a control center of our body, right? Now let's see number 2, heart. Heart is located inside our chest. Where is the location of the heart? Heart की location कहाँ पर है? Heart is located inside the chest. Chest के अंदर heart होता है. आप लोग ऐसा करके ये हार्ट बनाते हो ना, दिस इज नॉट द प्रॉपर शेप ऑफ द हार्ट. ये हार्ट नहीं है बेटा, दिस इज योर हार्ट. ये होता है हार्ट. जो आप दिल दिल बोल के पान का पत्ता बना देते हो, दैट इज नॉट द शेप ऑफ द हार्ट. नो, हार्ट इज नॉट लाइक दैट. दिस इज द हार्ट. एंड वेयर इज लोकेटेड हार्ट? हार्ट इज लोकेटेड इनसाइड द चेस्ट, इनसाइड द चेस्ट. एंड व्हाट इज द वर्क ऑफ योर हार्ट? Heart pumps the blood. Heart pumps the blood of all parts of the body. जो हार्ट होता है ना बेटा, वो ब्लड को पंप करता है, क्लीन करता है और पूरी बॉडी में भेजता है. That is the work of the heart. Okay. Now let's see what is written about the lungs. Lungs are in the pair and situated inside our chest. Lungs कहाँ पर होते हैं? Lungs has two. See, brain is one, heart is one, but lungs has in pair. Lungs दो होते हैं, left और right. Both side we have the lungs, and lungs is situated where? Lungs is situated inside the chest. आप जिसको बोलते हो ना छाती, in Hindi you can call छाती, chest. Yes. So lungs is situated inside the chest. They help us to breathe. What is the work of the lungs? Lungs help us to breathe. Whatever we are breathing with the help of lungs only, right? Let's see about the stomach. The stomach is inside our belly. This is our belly, beta. This is our belly, and inside the belly we have the stomach. Inside the belly we have the stomach. The food which we eat goes in it. Whatever we are eating, it is going inside that stomach. Whatever we are eating, it is going inside the stomach, and the stomach help in the digestion of food. Whatever we are eating, it goes into our stomach, and the main work of the stomach help us to digest the food. Whatever we are eating, whatever food we all are eating, it is digested by the stomach only, and all these organs help us to stay alive. Whatever organs we all are having, whether it is the external organs or whether it is the internal organs, all organs help us to stay alive. हमको जिंदगी जीने के लिए सारे organs की जरूरत होती है, right? So now I am reading on page number 7, keeping body fit and healthy. Every part of our body perform an important function. Yes, it is very much correct written over here. Every part of the body has the different function, and it is very important. Thus, we should keep our body fit and healthy. Always try to keep your body fit and healthy. That's why do not eat junk food, because junk food makes your body unhealthy, makes your brain unhealthy, makes your internal organs unhealthy. So here are some good habits which we should follow to get the fit and healthy body. Okay, so eat healthy food. Yes, I told you so many times, avoid eating junk food. Yes, my dear students, do not eat junk food, because junk food makes you unhealthy. Junk food makes you unhealthy. Do not eat food exposed to dust and flies. Do not eat the outside food, because outside it so much of dust. It is not necessary you will get clean and fresh food. No, that's why do not eat exposed food. मतलब खुला हुआ खाना नहीं खाना चाहिए. Drink at least 8 glasses of water. Yes, 8 glasses of water must drink, so your stomach will not pain. Most of the students are saying all the time, ma'am, my stomach is aching. My stomach is aching. पेट दुख रहा है, पेट दुख रहा है. Why they are saying? Because they are not having the plenty of water. They are not having the 8 glasses of water. Not only 8 glass, you can drink more than 8 glass. So it will keep your always from the diseases. When you will drink plenty of water, then diseases will not come in your body. It is also help in digestion of food, and whatever food you will eat, it will digest very properly. Okay, our body need rest when we will feel tired. Take sufficient sleep. Take sufficient sleep. Yes, whenever we are feeling so tired, then what we will do? हम बिस्तर पे जाते हैं, लेट जाते हैं, सो जाते हैं. So our body need rest when we feel tired. And one more thing, do exercise regularly. Do exercise regularly, because doing exercise is very good for your health. It is very good for your health. When you will do exercise, then you can give the fit and healthy body. You can improve your fitness level by doing the exercises, and you can get the strong muscles, right? So take bath daily and always wear clean clothes. Always wear clean clothes. Yes. So here we are completing the chapter number 1. Why I completed fast? Because this is revision. This is revision, and you are seeing only 3 lectures in a week. Next week only 3 lectures you will see. बाद में तो आपकी एग्जाम शुरू हो जाएगी. That's why I took little fast. Okay. So all the exercise is very easy. I will do orally. Tick the correct option. Number 1. Our body is made up of many parts called bones, muscles, organs. Yes, our body is made up of organs only. It controls all the organs of our body. What controls all the organs of the body? Stomach? No. Brain? Yes, brain controls all the organs of the body. It is located inside our chest. What is located inside our chest? Heart. Heart is located inside the chest. This organ help us in the digestion of food. Food को digest कौन सा organ करता है? Yes, stomach. Okay, stomach helps to digest the food. We should drink dash glasses of water. 1, 2, 3. No. We should drink 8 or more than 8 glasses in the day. Complete the matching वाला तो आप फटाक से कर लोगे. Complete the sentence. The dash is inside our head. Head क्या है? Head के अंदर brain. Number 2. The dash help us to breathe. What organ help us to breathe? Lungs. फेफड़े है ना? Lungs is the right answer. The heart pumps that dash to all the parts of the body. Blood. The food we eat goes into ear, mouth. No, it goes into the stomach. It goes into the stomach. Right? And question answer we also solve by orally. What does the brain do? What is the main function of the brain? Brain controls all the organs of the body and it helps us to think also. When you will read the chapter carefully, you will not face any difficulty. Question number 2. What is the function of stomach? क्या काम होता है stomach का? Stomach help us to digest the food. Whatever food we are eating, it goes into the stomach and stomach helps to digest the food. And you will drink plenty of water, your food digest well. If you will not drink plenty of water, your food will not digest well, so you will face problem while going the washroom. potty नहीं आती ना बहुत सारे बच्चों को, इसलिए कि वो पानी कम पीते हैं. How do the lung help us? The lung help us to breathe, है ना? Maintain 2 ways which we can keep our body fit. There are 2 ways. Always eat healthy food and do regular exercises. Always eat healthy food and do always exercise. Right? So here we are finishing the revision of chapter 1. Hope you understand. And see beta, one more thing. Read the chapter carefully, because all the question and answer I will give from the chapter only. I will not cover your this वाला part. बहुत ज़्यादा इसमें से cover नहीं करूँगी मैं. I will cover from the chapter only. So read the chapters carefully. Okay. So this is enough learning from my side to you. Till then, bye bye. Have a nice day. Love you, बच्चा party. God bless you all. Bye.